Hello, good afternoon. It's the 2nd of October, 2020, and you're joining in at LBallet in the intermediate class. And it's a Friday, so we do this class for the 4th time. On Wednesday we have point class. You see my dancers, the first is Esme, and then you see Sarah from the advanced class, but she was not here on Wednesday. She was a little ill, and now she does the class on point, because she missed the point class. We experiment, we see if it will function. And the third one is Sanne from the intermediate. Welcome Gerard at the piano. Fine that Paul is always here for the technique today. And we start in the first position. Left leg is the first leg today, sloping over the bar with our back, and we are going to à la seconde and roll down. Get your hips really in the center all the time. Stretch your instep and close. Other leg timing is a 1, ta, ti, ta, down, ta, ti, ta. Stretch, and your hips are a shoebox. You do remember, and close. To the front, to the front. To the back, to the back. And in fourth position is exactly the same case. The hips are in the center of the hip of the legs. So you have to turn out the front leg more, and the back leg in the front up. The same, then we go. Demi-plié, over the center of your foot, going up, head to the left, 2 counts, curve your back to the back, going down on 8, stretched, going again, the same, to the right, turning, stretching, stretching, arms. Sarah, you can't manage this without, so take your relevé with 2 hands and then try if you can stay. Okay, there we go. And left leg out, roll down, back and close, and 1 and 2, and your belly muscles must work. Go and down. Your legs should laugh from stretching. Go and away and down and go and close and not turning in the hips. Sarah, take your back up and me over the feet, going up, head to the left and cambre, shoulders open, 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 up, roll down and plie and go, and beautiful, go, and elbows down, 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 and down, and turn. 5, 6, come up, turn out, and going 1, 2, 3. The crown to the floor, long neck, get up. Ladies without points, take yourself up. Try to join in, sir, and up. Good. And opening and down. Yes, okay. You did not notice, but you are at the bar and you are really here. Yes, your left leg was in front of your right leg. So be careful that you have your calves, look, your calves should be touching each other. Yeah, you see? Really going to open. And these muscles are going there. And as me, you are bending forward, and then I see you going like that. To hollow your back. Don't do that. Go back. It's the first moment. Only the first moment. Stretch your legs, and then you go over your belly. Yes! Oh, yeah, that's better. You feel that? And that's really the principle of third port de bras. The pliés. And from first, we have first, second, fifth, fourth. And it is and 1, 2, 3, stretch your legs, and out, 2, 3, stretch, stretch, arm, grand plié, relevé, stay, and stay, on 7 to go, out, and same in fifth, same in fourth, and then we get 1 and 2 and hold, open, arm, and then we start the fifth again and the fourth again. So we have 4 measures in between as an interlude, please. And 1, up, open, go. 1, 2, beautiful, and now keep your pelvis completely still. It's really opening the legs. And up, stay. And so be proud, Sarah, was wonderful. And 1 and 2, and go. And 1. My dears, the arm is not only a gesture, it has really a cause why you do this. And up, little finger out. And now fifth. Down, 2, 3. When you are too near to the bar, really take a little step. And Esme, can you cross further? Yes, you can. Susu. Hold it. Demi-plié and go. And demi. Open the legs. So your right leg, you try to get it behind your hip. Without losing your left leg. Inside shoulder. And the elbow is always in front of you. Up. Turn out. Sarah, you have to shift the leg a little more in front. Plié. Turn. You 4 counts. And up. And turn. Hold. Open arm. And 1. And up. And go through the toes outwards. Yes, your arm.